How pleasant in winter to sit by the hearth, listening to the barks and the howls of a dog, or in summer to wander the white valleys through, and to pluck the wild flowers in the May morning dew. Oh, summer is coming, oh, summer is here, with the leaves on the trees and the sky is blue and clear, and the birds they are singing their fond notes so true, and the flowers they are springing in the May morning dew. I was reared in, there's not a stone on a stone, and all around the garden the weeds they have grown, and all the fine neighbours that I knew, like the red rose they have withered in the May morning dew. God be with the old folk who are now dead and gone, and likewise my brothers, dear Dennis and John, as they trip through the heather, wild hare to pursue. With their joys they have mingled in the May morning dew. Thank you very much. That's some lovely whooping going on. Really lovely to be here this afternoon, and delighted to be joined by these wonderful musicians. Innes White on the guitar and Charlie Stewart on the fiddle, who I know you've been listening to just before. He had a long run from the other studio to here. That was a traditional song that I picked up in Ireland a few years ago called The May Morning Dew. And we'll carry on with another traditional song, this time from Scotland. This is a very, very old Scottish traditional song. And I come from a place called Pennycook, just outside of Edinburgh. I'm always looking for songs from around the Lothians. And this is about a place called Chinent. And This is about an old wedding tradition called riding the bros, where there'd be a race from all the men in a community, from the bride's house to the groom's house. And they're desperate to win this race because the winner has the first dance and the first kiss with the new bride at the ceilidh at the party at night. So it's a very sought after prize, as you can hear in the song. And I love this because it's in the old Scots language. So don't worry if there's lots of this you don't catch along the way. The chorus says, "Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, deal tak the himmels go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo." So if you're feeling brave, you can have a sing with us. So this is Chinent Wedding. It was at a wedding near Chinent, with scores and scores of fun were bent to ride the bros with full intent, was neither 9 or 10 Joe. Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, till like the hammers go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo. The suit said he was veg and fin and stuck like rosin to the main, to smash like hobbits in a drain, he nearly reached his end Joe. Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, till like the hammers go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo. Nu all the weaver rode to kettle, you thought he was a flying shuttle, he'll doop it dabbit like a bittle, but wafted till the end Joe. Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, till like the hammers go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo. The tail it had an awkward beast, it funk at first and signed at reast, and through her snipe 5 bell at least, like Cobricks are the main Joe. Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, till like the hammers go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo. The blacksmith's beast was last of all, with sides like bellows they did blow, till him and it got sick of all and bruises 9 or 10 Joe. Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, till like the hammers go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo. Mare she flew like drift, and nicely fast her feet that left me no step she gie a rift ut free her hinder enjo. Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, till like the hammers go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo. Nu Duncan's mare did bang them out, he ran away him of them on a fall, when up his grey mare she did draw, he bruised it was his enjo. Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, till like the hammers go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo. Aff they all went galloping, galloping, legs and arms walloping, walloping, till like the hammers go Duncan McCallopin, laird o jelly benjo. Thank you very much. I was need to get my breath back after that wee race there. The other reason I love that song is that one of the horses does something a bit rude and smelly, but he does it in Scots, so it sounds very poetic. So I'll leave that bit to your imagination. And we'll carry on with a song which is fairly new. This was written kind of a year and a bit ago for my new record, and it's the title track from the album. And this was written with a great friend of mine, wonderful Scottish singer-songwriter, Chris Jeever. And we wrote this thinking about the things that are kind of most important to us, that keep us connected to different chapters of our own lives. And yeah, this song's taken on a whole new meaning over the last year and a bit, and it's called All Is Not Forgotten. Been digging for treasure on this eastern isle. Sun-kissed packages, hidden and hard. Sweet peas and snowdrops, harebells, sunflowers and hyacinth. Like a time capsule, all hidden in words. I turn a page and there's gold in an envelope that opens up chapters that have been unread for years. The house we shared for so many years together. The sounds of the cricket ground echoed through the alley. The grain on the table stained with old conversation. The music changed with each friend that dropped by. These are the small mementos you take. You can never go home. Lightning may strike and thunder may roll. I can't recall all your tall stories, but all is not forgotten. All the ways of the world that you showed me, I have not forgotten. I have not forgotten. I have not forgotten. Now I sit here at that same table, staring at the same view. The walls are the same old portraits and frames, remind you of moonlit promises you spoke, now written in red, folded into shadows. You laid there to rest. I turn a page and there's gold in an envelope that opens up chapters that have been unread for years. I can't recall all your tall stories, but all is not forgotten. All the ways of the world that you showed me, all is not forgotten. I can't recall all your tall stories, but all is not forgotten. All the ways of the world that you showed me, I have not forgotten. 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 Thank you very much. We'll do one last song for you. A huge thank you to Simon at Hands Up for Trad for having us along this afternoon, and to Lisa at Showcase. It's really lovely to be involved, and yeah, just a huge thank you to them for all of the work that they're doing and providing opportunities for us to get to play some music together. I can't tell you how much joy it is bringing me right now. So we'll leave you with an old favourite song of mine. It's a traditional song I learned from a great Scottish singer called Rod Patterson. It's a song of the sea, and it talks about the men leaving the shores of Liverpool and heading all the way to Newfoundland, and it's called The Banks of Newfoundland. So thank you again very much for listening. You Western Ocean labourers, I'll have you all beware. When you're working on a packet ship, no dungaree oilskins wear. But have a big monkey jacket already at your command, and we'll bid farewell to the virgin rocks on the banks of Newfoundland. We will rub around and scrub around away holy stone and sand, and we'll bid farewell to the virgin rocks on the banks of Newfoundland. As I lay on my bunk one night dreaming all alone, I dreamt I was in Liverpool away up by Marylebone, with my true love there beside me and a jug of ale in my hand. But I woke quite broken hearted by the banks of Newfoundland. We will rub around and scrub around with holy stone and sand, and we'll bid farewell to the virgin rocks on the banks of Newfoundland. One female passenger, Bridget Riley was her name. She was 14 years transported, boys were playing at the game. But she tore up her flannel petticoats to make mittens for her hands, for she could not see the poor boys freeze on the banks of Newfoundland. We were up and scrub stand, and we'll bid farewell to the virgin rocks on the banks of Newfoundland. Now we're off Sandy Hook, my boys, and the land is all covered with snow, and the tug will tag up your hawser and for New York. And when we get to the Black Build, I'll call the boys and the ghettos there will stand. For if we are here, we cannot be there on the banks of Newfoundland. We will rub around and scrub around with holy stone and sand, and we'll bid farewell to the virgin rocks on the banks of Newfoundland. We will rub around and scrub around with holy stone and sand, and we'll bid farewell to the virgin rocks on the banks of Newfoundland.